Good evening, peeps, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I went to Ulta Beauty and I purchased some products for mature skin. They are cruelty-free and vegan, and I'm very excited to share them with you tonight. First item I want to show you actually was supposed to be included in my birthday gift haul video, but it was in my bathroom and I had forgotten to include it in the video because I've been using it. Physicians Formula 24 karat gold collagen serum, and now this is vegan and cruelty free. I want to see if you can pick up some of the gold little specks in there. And my sister sent this to me as part of the wonderful collection of birthday gifts that she had sent me. I've been using this every day, and I use it primarily in the morning before I put on my makeup, and I still see some of my wrinkles, and I'm not sure if this is a miracle product, but one thing I will say is that it instantly tightens your skin, and applying this underneath your makeup helps your makeup last, and it's really quite nice. It's very dry, so you don't feel greasy using it, so it's a serum that absorbs almost immediately into your skin, and it really does have a tightening effect, and it's immediate. I really love this product, and I will absolutely be purchasing it. So tonight I went to Ulta Beauty, and I was looking for some specific items that I want to use to update my look and to improve my technique of applying, especially applying eye makeup and concealer under my eyes, because I am 47 now and I can no longer put on concealer like the kids do because I do have some texture here and some crepey skin. So I need to enhance my makeup collection with some products that are friendly to mature skin and some new techniques that I'm going to be using in my upcoming videos. First off, from Ulta Beauty tonight, I purchased some more Ecotools brushes. I love the enhancing eye set of brushes. There are brushes on the top and the bottom, and it's shade, define, blend, and smudge. And if you don't know about Ecotools brushes, they are handcrafted, they're 100% vegan. They are cruelty-free, endorsed by PETA. They're recyclable. They're made from tree-free paper and renewable bamboo. So they're absolutely wonderful. I love the bristles on these brushes. They last a very long time. They clean very well, and they're absolutely fantastic. And this is the Daily Defined Eye Set. Everyday essentials for a classic smoky eye look. And the next item from my Ulta bag this evening is NYX Hydratouch Primer. I've heard a lot about this product. I've read some really good reviews on it. And on the box it says, enhance your complexion with Hydratouch Primer. Our primer is infused with chamomile, green tea, and ginseng root extract to create the perfect canvas and give your skin a radiant boost. That sounds magnificent. And this is what it looks like. 1.05 ounces of product in here. Open it up. And this is what we're looking at. And what I think I'm going to use this product for the most is for priming under my eyes before I put concealer on. This is ultimately what I have in store for this product. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it tonight. Now this is the first time I'm trying this new routine. Right away I can tell you that this is not oily, it's almost like watery, and it is absorbing quite fast into my skin, priming all that delicate skin under my eyes for the next step and the next item that I purchased this evening from e.l.f. And this is a Corrective Concealer. I want to use less concealer under my eyes, and if I can prime my eyes and hydrate them a little bit first, and then maybe do a little color correcting, I won't have to use so much product. On the back of this package, it explains what the different colors, how the different colors perform. It says it provides a custom coverage to help conceal under-eye darkness, blemishes, and other skin imperfections, helps brighten and neutralize the appearance of under-eye circles and redness. Sounds wonderful. Use the green to help neutralize and cover red spots, such as pimples, scars, or rosacea. Use the pink shade to help brighten dull yellow tones and to highlight the inner and outer corner of the eyes. That's pretty much the one I think I'm going to use right now. Blend a small amount of chosen corrective color into the desired area, then apply concealer and foundation on top to hide the color. Okay, let's go in with this pink shade, and I'm going to try to use it right on the inside corners of my eye where I have the darkest areas that I want to neutralize. I'll take their little brush and see. There we go. Ooh, it's actually quite a bit of product on that brush, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of that, but I'm going to go ahead and dab that in the inner corners of my eye. I'm going to take my finger. Sometimes I like to use my finger when I do this stuff because it warms the product up really nicely. All right. Okay. I like it. It looks brighter for sure. Let me do a little bit more. I'm going to play around with this some more, guys, but I just wanted to put it on right away. I don't know about you, but when I buy makeup, I need to put it on like right away, and then I'll use it the subsequent following days and then really kind of perfect the application of said product. But I have to dive in right away when I buy something. So I mean, I still see some darkness, but it brightened it up a little bit. So let's see. Now I'm not like blown away by this, but that's just the color correcting. Now I'm going to go in with this concealer that I've been using for a while. And I already own this, I didn't buy this tonight, but this is the CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer, and this is in shade Fair. And now I'm going to dab a little bit here. Now, you know, you see a lot of beauty gurus on YouTube just like slather all the concealer on, and you know, bless their hearts, the younger YouTubers can do that, but as you get older, you have more texture in and here, and you have like thinner skin and delicate skin on the inside of your eyes, and the makeup, like using that amount of concealer, really sort of cakes in that crepey skin and actually accentuates it and defeats the purpose. Like, I'd rather have the dark circles than the crepey makeup cakey eye. So I can already tell you, wow. Okay guys, this is nice. Wow, that's really pretty. My skin underneath my eye looks brighter, it looks hydrated, and it doesn't look all gross and cakey. So I'm very impressed with this so far. The next item that I purchased tonight from Ulta Beauty is Makeup Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. The last thing I want to do is put on a bunch of powder under my eye and bake, because I'm trying to keep it looking hydrated and youthful. This is the Makeup Revolution Translucent Powder that I purchased tonight. Really nice. That's a lot of powder too. This is gonna last me a long time. It's 1.12 ounces of product. Wow, that's a lot. So I'm gonna open this up, and I've already taken the little plastic protective film thingy off. I'm just pouring just a tiny bit in here. And you can just see there's just a little bit of product there, because I really am not going to use a lot of product when I do this new technique. Now I'm just putting it on my brush, and I'm just going to pat a little bit of this on to set the concealer. You will never see me bake under my eyes ever again, guys. Alright, my eyes look brighter, and I'm really happy with this, and I can't wait to play with this new technique. I absolutely love this. Really pretty, guys. The next item I purchased tonight at Ulta, I'm really super excited about because they only had one left, and I'm hoping the shade works for me, but I saw Raw Beauty Kristi review this item the other day, and I had to try it. This is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is vegan and cruelty free. It's dual ended, and this is supposed to be like the temporary version of like microblading your eyebrows. What's fun about this is that on one end you fill in your brows, which is what I'm going to do right now. I've been using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow for I want to say a couple of years now, and I absolutely love it. I swear by it. The product lasts a long time, and it has never let me down. along with the Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-ended brush that is like a super precision fine brush where you can do like the little brush strokes. And I've been using this for a couple years now and I absolutely love it. It's been my go-to, but I'm ready to try something new. So I'm filling in ever so gently. All right, so basically I just filled in like the gap, as you can see on this side, the little gap, if you will, and I'm gonna do the other side. And I'm saving the most exciting step for last. And by the way, this shade is Cafe Kitty. This is also waterproof. Now I'm going to go in with the microblading side. I'm kind of nervous. You guys, super thin. And oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna try this. If it looks busted, judge me kindly. First time. Urban Decay Brow Blade. Here we go. And what this is supposed to do is just simulate little individual hairs. And I'm really kind of scared, so I'm not going hard with this, but what I'm noticing is little tiny fine lines of hairs. And it is really cool, guys. All right, it's creating little tiny lines, and I'm going to go all the way outside and exaggerate this look so you can see what I'm talking about. And this is not how I'm going to do my makeup. I just want to show you these little lines. See that? Really cool. It's creating little wisps of hair, little tiny wisps. I'm doing like a super bushy brow here, guys. This is not how I'm going to be doing my makeup, but I just want to show you the wisps of this. How cool is that? I've never used a product like this before. Really cool. I'm going to use this product every day, and I really enjoy it, guys. I highly suggest you go out and buy the Urban, helps if I put it in the right direction. Ahoy! Anyway, the Urban Decay Brow Blade, very cool. I love it so much. Awesomeness. Go get one. You won't regret it. It's really cool. Very happy with it. Moving on. And the final product that I'm showing you today for my Ulta Beauty haul, Pacifica Dreamy Youth Day and Night Face Cream, and I'm going to use this at night. So during the day, I'm going to use this Physicians Formula Vegan Collagen. And then at night, I'm going to be using the Dreamy Youth Day and Night Face Cream. And this has extraordinary benefits for glowing, radiant skin, refuse to obey time, with Floracell Complex concentrated floral stem cells. That sounds interesting. And powerhouse antioxidants. That sounds like fun. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Deeply moisturize, promote a lifting effect, and that sounds awesome. All right, guys, it looks like a big white tube, but very cool. It says it has all the little information on the front of it, and it's 1.7 fluid ounces. I'm not going to put it on now because I have my makeup. Let's see, I'm gonna pump some of this out here. Still pumping. Oh my god. Hi. All right, there we go. So it's a white creamy consistency. Has the tiniest, slightest rose scent to it. I'm going to be putting this on my face every night once I remove my makeup, and it feels pretty hydrating. Doesn't feel greasy. It feels very soothing. This is going to feel very nice on my face. And it says it's for all skin types, which is great because I used to have very problematic acne prone, oily skin. And as my hormones changed, now I don't have dry skin per se, but I can handle a decent thickness of moisturizer now, where when I was younger I couldn't. I would break out immediately. So I think my skin will handle this quite well, and we shall see. So Dreamy Youth, we'll see how you perform, and I will post an update on that. All right guys, well thank you for joining me in my Ulta Beauty $100 haul for mature skin, vegan and cruelty free. I'm looking forward to using these products and perfecting my skills, particularly with this new Urban Decay Brow Blade tool. I'm very excited to keep working with this product. This is the latest technology in eyebrow cosmetics, and I'm really excited and I'm ready for it. I still love my Anastasia Dip Brow, so it will always be handy, but I'm really going to work with this every day, and I want to be as good with this product as Raw Beauty Kristi is, because she is so cute and cool, and I love her so much. Thank you so much for watching this and for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. My channel is very new and I'm very excited to do this, and it is my absolute pleasure and such a fun hobby for me. So please, I would be honored if you joined me as a new subscriber. Thank you so much guys. See you on the next video. Bye.